Today I wanted to come in to share something with everybody, something very unique that happened yesterday. I mean, this whole experience, quite honestly, has been very unique for me. I was one of those people that wasn't sure about acupuncture, but I got to the point in my life where modern medicines just weren't doing it for me. I would need surgeries, etc., etc., etc. So I decided to give this a try. And I am so glad I did. I've been 3 times now. I've said this before. I came in with both knees in pain, elbow in pain, arthritis, and my thumb, arthritis. 52 years old, and all of a sudden everything's happening to me. So I had nothing to lose, and I came in to see Master Kim, and I'm so grateful that I did, because on the very first day, I walked out pain-free. I couldn't believe it. I came in with knee braces on. I carried them out. The second session was absolutely just as successful. And then the third session was also incredible. Every time you leave here, you leave your pain behind. And what I'd like to share today is something quite remarkable happened yesterday, and I still grin about it because I can't believe this actually happened. So on the first session, Master Kim gave me the book that he wrote. It's actually his book, he published it, all about acupuncture. Well, he gave me a copy of this book. I took it home. And yesterday, my wife, she's very loyal. She never misses a day of work, ever. She stubbed her toe on our kitchen table, and she literally could not stand up. She couldn't put any weight on this foot. So I begged her to come along because I knew I had a 2:15 session with Master Kim. She couldn't come because she said, I honestly can't move. So we got her onto our bed, we put the TV on, and we set her up, and I came to my appointment. During the appointment, I just happened to mention this to Master Kim about the toe and the injury and the fact she never misses work. And what he said to me was incredible. He said, when you leave today and you get home, I want you to tell me what toe she's having, where the pain is, the location of the pain. And I thought, okay. I said, what can you do? He says, I'm not going to do anything. He says, you're going to fix it, which was absolutely mind-blowing to me. So I got home. I made my wife point to which toe it was, and it happened to be the toe next to her little toe. So I sent a text message to Master Kim, who in turn sent me a page number from his book that he published, along with a code that I would find on that page. And he wanted me to find the exact location on the leg, where the book is very descriptive. You can't mess it up. And so we found the exact location, and then all I had to simply do was to pinch this area. And the longer, the better. So I found we did it for 15 minutes straight. And I said to my wife, how do you feel? She goes, well, I don't know. I said, well, try to stand up. Now remember, she hadn't stood up all day. She literally needed to go to the bathroom. She stood up. And not only did she stand up, she walked to the bathroom. She said, this is absolutely incredible. I mean, literally was just a mind-blowing experience. I cannot, honestly, I couldn't believe that I just cured my wife. We were laughing about it. I mean, if I can do this, anybody could do this. I mean, obviously you have to have the book and you have to have the knowledge and be explained to what to do. But it was very simple. And we did this on the hour for a couple of hours. I would spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and literally today she's moving around the house. She feels so much better than she did yesterday. And bearing in mind she couldn't even walk yesterday, so it was an incredible experience. And I feel like if I didn't come in and share this with people, I would be doing an injustice, because this, unlike conventional medicine, this is so easy and so accessible, and it's pain-free, and it's just a wonderful experience. When you come here, it's calm, it's relaxing. The treatment is very pain-free, and you leave here feeling absolutely incredible. Honestly, everybody should try this. Everybody should. If you've never tried it, don't be a skeptic. Give it a go. You have nothing to lose except your pain.